kana arimu bomba kutha bakiomba go sustain arita baba ndene ya chukuru chietu. Karibu sana bwana Karote kiri studio chia Weru Keria Mumero no twire introduction ya kutukumenya bwega. Karibu sana.
Ibwega Madam Karimi.
Yes.
Umenyere tiwita county. Bwana Gichunge.
Yes.
Non tubwa mbere buru kumbalika kiri studio Weru.
Yes.
Na nkira mwathani bwega non tubwa tu wake utoro. Na narua tochemania au. Kenda twaria a few things concerning mantuira tukwendelea nayo turi Minister of Education na mno arimu rietu abita wa Karote Nchabere Executive Secretary wa Kupet Meru County na narua Kambuge sector yetu ya elimu tuina changamoto nyingi mno. Mbere burugu bitigeria mbayete kantomanto kidogo turatu kuendelea in our schools.
Yes.
Tuina transition ya kuma 844 to yaki the new curriculum. The curriculum based competence based curriculum. CBC.
Yes.
Na kuma tuikwanjiria this transition ituithirite tuina changamoto nyingi muno. Mbere buru itwanjiririe the system to be well prepared. Well prepared in the sense that bokuma kiri this transition to kiri the other one ikobati kuina mipango mega kenda kuidra tuina smooth transition. So kuma 844 ya mno kambaridi na saidi ende kuina court ya junior secondary grade 7 8 now to kuya 9 this court the two court 1 2 na 3 it with tuina challenges nyingi mno. Bereburu ni arimo. Okay, ya kuona most of the junior secondary schools arimo baraba baiku either ni umwe kana bairi. Na kiri arimo baraba ire iboba to take care of all the pathways. Na ukona ndi mwarimu kwethira na train wa Kiswahili. Mwarimu una kwethira akiri ro kuritana arimo I mean arito mathematics, sciences, arts. You see now, okay, basically what we are doing, we are killing some generations. Not to, okay, I go on a mwarimu subjects, there are several. How surely do you have to all these subjects and you are not specialized? Okay, on a key infrastructure, they are not there. Where instructional materials utirio. So ukona sincerely the aim was good, but then we were not prepared for the same.
Diroria today, you know, wuninde ya layman. Yes. Kuelewa atiri nitio ntutu te prepared, nitio tutu tari prepared. Natika kuende CBC ya mbirio. It's been around 7 years or so. Na ito amenya kukethwa kuina, you know, grade 9ers. Grade 9 ba ito amenya kukethwa kuina bo nitio ntupa toka iro irasi. Ito amenya kukethwa kukendekana mauku, ito amenya arimo bakendekana bakuritana, you know, subjects icho onde. So why were we not prepared? Meake uyo onde dirikari nitio ntuwe taibangete kile mantu.
Initially, urano kakarire bwana Chunge, the previous regime, equaling na some attempt not to domiciling the JS was supposed to be secondary schools.
Yeah.
Kweke the Presidential Working Committee on Education Reforms, by it around, somehow, ibawire domiciled in primary schools.
Yeah.
Ndiko ayana totaso. during the previous regime, every secondary school ni high class na kigako, either 1 or 2 classes. And kumenyendi the other regime they changed that. What we can do in the years, but with primary schools, not in secondary schools. The previous thinking, according to me, was actually the best option that we had. Now, to Wayaki secondary schools, we have teachers who are competent enough to handle those junior secondary school students. Wayaki infrastructure-wise, to in laboratories, to in fields, to in bureau, for example, to in dormitories, to in IRAS. No, to enable that transition, here we are struggling. Either to in infrastructure in primary schools, whereas we can use the ones that we have in the secondary schools. Currently now, secondary schools to tena Form 1. So, which means basically, facilities, irachi atumaironi Form 1s, currently now they are idle.
Yeah.
To ina idas bire idle, to ina fields enough, kibarabara in boarding facilities, they are not being utilized, kuina laboratories that are not getting utilized. And then now we are forced to domicile JS in primary schools, where basically we are starting from the scratch.
From scratch.
Where when we have facilities which are idle in the upper secondary. That is why we are saying, when it comes to some of the policies, we are having our priorities upside down.
Yeah.
As a
So,
country.
idhwani riakwa ni ati working committee ya president ira yeyirera uwa GSS by domiciled kiri primary schools ingwitikia ba ni ataalamu.
Yes.
Na ni a Kenya, of course, wakimenya buratu na scarce resources.
Yes.
As a country iba kuona thirikari ndiru ni ari kwambiria woka irasi. So why was it necessary?
You see, sometimes Mantu, I remember to Imero Teachers College, I was one of the participants. I read about that issue. Lakini endo kuona bana bomba kwa na maon ne to completely almost out of touch with what happens in the education sector. Then daukira oni as a unionist. Kedera ne principal aukira aria wa caption na kesha area na my counterpart, for example, KNUT area to support whatever is going on. Together and babu you are empowered by barabangi baiti. So as a committee you came maoni ya barabangi. And yama ingena baraba ingena bo, they are not necessarily the right or the right opinion or whatever. So that is how that committee headed giving and go ahead that we domicile in primary schools. But the where they headed is as a professional committee. Nyaboi babati kwa na professional, a good professional advice. That here where we are taking these children, where we are taking these students, we don't have human resource, we don't have infrastructure. So the best way, let's continue with what had been planned before. Mbere tuitate atunyimbo tuibanga. Narenge where kiri hapa secondary. We attend secondary schools currently. Most of the infrastructure chiku
in secondary.
Why should we go to primary school to struggle kuwaka kiras, kuwaka lab, kuwaka whatever, when we have the same facilities, same government, serving the same students, the same community? Why should we usually suffer with wanjiri into bingi na bingi bile aido?
Kithi nkurikana advice ya working committee, presidential working committee on education mwalimu.
Yes.
Mantu yele raba boleleri bonene bombere bururu ne kuinyilo ku muchiari, because muchiari nende akendekana kwithro akiura uniform injaro, akendekana kwithro akende mwana secondary is a lot of expenses kiri muchiari, na number 2 anabaki nyabo ni bani ni sana, because a grade 6 mwana omunini. So is it 7 a grade 7 bawane mwana omunini compared na oro kengi kwithro aitete secondary I did around 13 years uyu akethro ari around 10 9 years
bona ntu baba nene
atakayo na baba nene. So this initial some of the two issues that are considered maybe
Bwana Gichonga, I think that thinking is pedestrian.
Why?
It is pedestrian in the sense that menya achari baba inge baikigana baombo in schools by class 4, isn't it? Class 4, class 5, class 6. Anabarato yukaki form 1 is through iba 13. Lakini kutena mwanya 13 years na 12 years. So thinking yekuwa mwana no munini mno, I think that was not the right thing. Not already anabar by pamwete boarding schools.
Maybe abakira ba bullied baba kuru.
But as teachers we are there. As teachers, mwana here from 1, we take care of these kids. Tokwa mwa Karimi County ainga in guardian wawe. Ai mother guide. Tukamurire somebody else. That is how to abakuria pole pole. Currently now, through I took around 18.8 billion chiawaka new classes, classrooms, surely. And this is a country where we are struggling to provide even the essentials and drugs in the health centers. And we can afford to waste almost 19 billion. What kind of thinking is this?
Tuenda kumenya atire first of all CBC yongwa inkomeitwe itete sana, but was it a good idea, the CBC thing? Kumarato ambiririe
is a noble one. Not to a transition now from kwirigira no white collar job with a skilled manpower. Ngwechanjara, that kind of thing. Na okay, even developing countries now, developed countries, they normally have a lot of investment. Kiri mantoya competency based. They are the theories. So the whole idea is a noble one. But when you are properly prepared to implement it, yes.
So let's agree at this CBC thing was a good idea, na eitarayo maybe da kinyete, but now the kind of otongere brato na bo boti bangite non to manto ya. So it's like in interior to compete professionals na politicians. Would you say that?
As a country, when let me say it openly, when KK government took over, but I end up on anything to do with the previous regime policies. That was the mistake that we did. No, so principal ga automo in a school. Kwa ida policies ile chirare o chia principal rongi. I want to go there to in a taking over, handing over. Rather liabilities, rather marando, rather be Kenya accounts, very fat accounts, you handed over. Na together to in for example, Kibakina to Tirete Vision 2030. I believe in even in our county, previous governor, Great Moroge, na Tirete Vision 2040, Yameru.
Yes.
In a strategic plan, Naboreka I implemented. So, okay, and as a governor, for instance, what the other governor had done, then it means we are now going back to zero. and withira ko continue ya bura mantu ira yaretite ate yara mega yara riku ukaendelea nayo na ukwenda kurekebisha ukarekebisha kenda at least ingiana na policy yako. So there was a mistake that we did as a country. Nwe are mutongeria wetu na tutikwenda kuibwa anything to do with that. So we start from a new page and tutua let's tuyukira yara rimea ya mtura tuendelee nayo, lakini nato kuona ito batu karepisha let's do this. Yes.
Na bwana Karuti ndironete kilimuchoreo kuwa nat etawate Martin this guy
Jackson
nani akiuga mantu jegie insurance ya health. Arimu ibote tabu nene na kinyawa tega mitandao na arimu aribuga sijui tuweta chibitari fulani tukengwa tuweta chibitari fulani tuko no tungata. What is happening?
Madam ture arimu ikwatuikire tukayo medical cover, a kind of a policy, na in the best practices worldwide as an employer, na ba to provide medical facilities kiri employees bawe. So what happened kiri medical allowance arimo bayawa bakari wa in their payslip, but that allowance was converted to medical insurance cover. Kendende that medical allowance here it from the payslip kenda arimo banekro cover. Kwa yana company it own insurance and brokers. They won is a consortium of companies what we can win the tender. So they provided services to us. Though tikaya irari very successful, lakini at least ibarerakia kutoa services. Ende amanto ya dukwire kabisa. Kwa tuikire currently most of the hospitals itekwa arimo services. Why? Okay, ya kuona hospitali imwe ichi contracted in Meru, like Maua Methodist Hospital, Kirua, Robbins, Jekim, Doctors Plaza, Menduela, Mactano. Most of these hospitals ibarekere kutoa services. Why? Urita ko kiri administration back with about for the last 10 months tutari wa claims chetu. So these claims have run into millions. Wewe na staff ya Korea bondore moto kuona tutego blame sibitari mno. We na staff we na baraba supply ndawa we na other issues kwenda cha sibitari na wewe ukwa ukutritiarimo na credit for more than 10 months or 1 year. So we just claim whether it is not honored. Koina this Twitter medical administration deductions ito wrong ito itero yu ichietre ko to cover which is now here on the minute medical cover niende automatic with this case vitari irachi contracted by the insurance company. And what is happening currently, the hospitals countrywide are hold between 20 to 30 billion. Meaning for almost 1 year, by check claim, it take honored. One link up na eon minutes head office. Baturi tutena dina drikare anu ito turea. Medical supplies wetu to kugeria kubela nkaba to wanda hawa batikwenda. Tuwe tambankine to kugia overdraft. Tuwe terete tuwe wambeja. Overdraft ira ndio yukia na very high interest rates. Still tuteko na beja korea loans. So bakwirende batu we are not the problem. The problem
Is your government.
contact treasury. Batu release mbecha na tutu tate. But we yake kire arimu beto already banenkanire demende kwa allowance. So what is the rationale of telling them to wait? Turi mbecha. Na already mbecha yaku ichiterwa na baina chio. That is the biggest now a problem to face as teachers. Not only most of the hospitals, majority of them actually, each private. They have stopped giving teachers services.
Yeah. So nire ko mwalimu aguneka ile kwa na mandiko allowance kana either even insurance.
Insurance cover is very important. And to tukia kuona insurance cover, I'm telling you every weekend. Ilasima tukidira tu ina rambe zato inya
Changira mwalimu.
Chio changira mwalimu. But currently now itumire au changa. Including going to overseas for treatment. At least they have been doing that. Now kuona mwalimu no tumira 4-6 million and it's cleared. Lakini we ndikiri these issues ire yao kuma the implementation nyumo yetu nangaishi sijui nini, everything has gone into shambles.
Mwalimu, let me ask this. No kuthwania thirikari ni kuyukiria mwalimu na iteo kirabati kwithwa kyo kazi yakyo, the seriousness, mwalimu no ntu ne mtu very important, especially kile community no ntu no tukuriria mwana. So do you think this government na kinya previous governments kwethwa ni kuyukiria mwalimu na iteo kirabatire kwithwa kiona as a government? Beroncho kile kiu kambaranire na mutegeri wa Wero TV na muthikiria ni kaita kawithro kuma kire jishindie chap chap rokirero ukuma kire jishindie chap chap ukuma kire jishindie chap chap ni kuinya *220*22# no kethro ichinda maita ya thatu ya mbechi ro kethro kibeti na chokwina ticket number maita ya 5 kwina ticket 1 thiringi 20, ticket 2 ya thiringi 40, ticket 4 ticket 3 ya thiringi 60, ticket 4 ya thiringi 80 na kwina golden ticket yeje ne kuma thiringi 85 mwanka thiringi 99 neje no uchindire mwanka thiringi 3 this beautiful morning no kaibanga na Friday kuroyo okyo thiringi 3 nonto no bawita na mbere kwithira baichinda. By the way kwora chindire 2600 euro na wewe pia utuku actually na kinya wena withira rio mwobo ukya kuinya *220*22# ukethira wichinda maita ya thatu ya mbeche indewe to uangirije na maana hata thatu no tokara chethera golden ticket na wewe pia no withira wichetha na golden ticket kana wachetha na ticket ya ticket number 1 thiringi 20 wachinda maita ya thatu ya mbeche iji no uchethe na thiringi 8 wachinda maita ya thatu ya mbeche chiaku na vile woro kwita na mbere kwithira wichetha maita maingi no bwo kuongela kanya aku ka uchinda kire jishindie chap chap inya *220*22# na withira wichinda kire jishindie chap chap. Mr. Karute.
Yes sir.
Trikari ne kuyukia arimu na seriousness that you deserve.
Bere buru kiori kiu
Ukiari nende ya mwalimu not a unionist.
Kiori kiu
Yeah.
Give credit where it is due.
Yeah.
In kuona serikali ni atoandikire arimu around 56,000 na kuina bange by intern around 20,000 of them. Lakini apart from kutuandikira arimu we yakirutere rurungi, I think the government has not done enough. Boria non tubwa. One, tutura kuona capitation ya Muritwa, every Muritwa at 22,244. Lakini kuma miaka almost that way three. What comes to school kire capitation ya Muritwa ni around 11,000. So we don't know what has really happened.
Yeah.
Currently now, ibondo kuona inya arimbo ba kwa baingi principals and teachers.
Yeah.
by a lot of headache pressure wina staff ukwenda kurea wina arito skuru iba kwenda kurea wina suppliers baba ukunetera idio na other things staff subordinate staff iba kwenda mishara all these ones kibati kuuma kiri mbeche ira kunenkerwa itu ita capitation no kwibwende chikoniwa from 22 to around 11,000 na as we speak now government ito mindai around 64 billion kenda tumba korea marando ya imbi 64 billion that has not been released
iwiche
miaka idhatu 64 billion
It's a lot of money.
even torona yes yes but surely we are not going either no survive during the to tako mbecha continue surviving how do I survive na non petera andu na ona petera andu na ana bare yao as tab arito ngwe bare yao iba kwenda kuriwa how do you tell me to survive o survive am I a magician?
No, you are not. You are not.
Sorry, mwarimu. Now that thirikari tirarukilia mbecha murio yoyo weta kire muciari because I have seen proposals chienu cia kuongela some 20,000 kire muciari
ipo tukuare wore thirikari o take come out clearly na cleanly with a good art okera antu itoyokirie murio tutigomba babu achiarire indrenda kupotethia murio yo obra the previous government yendelea na mantu ende kuremwa tukumenya na benu antu we inko nenkana competition na sincere lote yekuya you see now rero ko wa ko release for example beja ire chibati ko ya kiskuru suppliers bonde bakaya na uri ono torede kanyamo ko tonya bank staff ba utrete arias bakenda obarea ichungano ituraibu mbandi na kuri nenkere mbecha utita kuira banki bwana wa turea
tureuga tuturona na TV ne
lakini turona TV ne beje ku release utita kuira mbecha
na awe ndinio kinyamu chiari na mukenya kwa jumla mwarimu akurira nonto thirikari riwane kulukilia mbecha for example the other day bawere bakulukilia I think 21 billion or so and then the following day arimu ibakuwa mbecha itereya so no wote kwaria uma ati thirikari na mwarimu
I think almost 70% of us Kenyans are Christians. I don't know where is our foundation yetu ya Ukristo ritire. No twende manto yamo ya tukwaria ibuare uribo lakini loko me sincerely from the bottom of your heart ni urongo kuwa. Okawa ku release mbeche cha skuru. Imagine what way principle staff baku bara utilitarians for the last 3 or 4 months bare onendi we you are the devil no one supply te nkunia champempe nkunia igana kana maneli na mungao na michere na sukari na ukunekora mbecha na utendete ngirichi yakwa amana nana tokoke yake principle ndakwira nani itu mando yabo kuona yana haraka tumemene na KTV aguria urendo mbira kathirikari ikurongwa
bakona yako kurea mbecha
bakona yako we ukurea gwitate kubarea but truthfully speaking utembe chechireta ate chia release that is the problem now we having
it's
Kambori now Kambori as a very layman kakithomo kiri very expensive is it too expensive
kizomo I think it is not expensive I priority chetu onto okay kona ke thirikari ke bakini ya retremanto ya
free education
free education uhuru na ire yeta smoothly ende kire otura ire to angani nyama elomite na nyungu nente kumene ate kuri currently system yetu ya education is almost at its knees as we speak here now to in drama tuina games iturai science fair chiraendelea ichikuendelea currently tuina michezo akaga na middle school tuina drama thura ndandikwira we are struggling as we speak ana batina lunch arimu batina allowances no to bechi treta ita release so I don't know what we are doing and where we are going as a country. Okay, kuona science here, a country that's not doing very well. Look at 3 sectors: education, health, and security. Currently now, as we speak, tukaenda matauni yao, ukaethira nurses na daktari bari in the streets. They stopped giving services. Why? They have not been paid. The CBA has not been implemented. So, and we are actually wondering, where are we heading as a country? Kithomo tuki, nora ibere the other day, bara ibere kinya chierio, bitu bida kebenek.
Acho,
wa mochiari, na idura ne kurea.
Korea.
Bejene chiara ya kachiretire na bwana.
Na kiture kurewa. You know, that's what the leaders are saying.
Kenya tina becha most of the
money
iriko thranua ireta korea marando so
marando yaiku
external data
previous governments
no to no itanga ndigurwe Kenya re no dilunki they several towns na several counties ino new project ikiendelea. Where is money going? Woni currently iguitwa 2.75 yeah NHIF na mbere ndare ya 1700 lakini ende 2.75 of your basic salary. Watu tuwekiriro nyamo ingi witwa NSSF yare ya wani employees baba tina in other pension kana those who are in contract na temporary jobs.
Yes.
Bara by permanent and pensionable. Ya watu tuwidhara tuwina superannuation scheme PSSP. Either all civil servants at least no contribute 7.5% of your basic salary. Government ya kwa 15%. Every month you can win 22.5% of your basic salary. Yeah, the key scheme. Now we have been forced. Kunenka na nyamu ingi ya 2% of your basic salary. On top of what? No kuona ituwekero nyamu tukwero ituwakero nyumba ya ito housing levy. Bere yari levy na ande ya ingi ya tax. Ingwakiro nyumba ende as we speak now njere miaka mitakuritaya lakini ngwakiro nyumba Nairobi nanga Mombasa nanga ina anka dama mero mbeta Mombasa karia no na okwanja
you know jokingly turana la karimia sometimes maybe to batiko ingande for some a few months
for innovations.
Seriously, that's what we require as a country now. Where we are heading
what
to.
Is working
Because where nakere education is not working. Where health sector is not working. For the first time, woman security officers, KDF, pay as you eat. University. Ina muntu ukethera utimya kuibanga we ni campaign njeshi. Waithira utikuona good food. Kana health eku itiwita ongi. Kwa ukithwane mundu au no autethia. We are getting our priorities upside down as a country. We need to rethink. Kana brokuwa we close it for 1 month, we renovate, then we start afresh.
So mwalimu outwetirite now that tukua kithomo is failing, health is failing, security is failing, but again any thirikari yaringiro kura ni Kenya overwhelmingly. What does it say kire muringi okura? Because Twirawa, you are as good as your whoever you voted for.
I think Kenyans there is a big lesson to thirikari ne are a lot of goodwill from wananchi. They want to only overwhelmingly voted in. And we are in a lot of hope. Need to meet Antu bakari thinking position ya kanisa. in the management of a country. To Kenyans barari na lot of faith kitunisa. Batiri wo kwa ke yombira mbitire yao.
No itira.
Kuina ira ya batu undi mo Catholic. Ke joto ita papa mbus. Kana when my priest tells me something to that is ex cathedra. Ex cathedra you don't question. It's like when the Pope gives a decree. You don't question. Bere kanisa inya ikuira etira awo no ke ona yura imurango. Oeta otire mutona murango ne yura no ko etairo. Lakini currently like nyaba mbira etira ara o carry think your position bere weta. That is where we are now as a country. And it's also a big challenge to our church.
Okay. Now, mwalimu tukithiria ndenda kuelewa about this CBC thing. Itokuira kwina career pathways nini. Yani mantu yako ombi kana? Considering that no mwanga chukuru rengitie structures, science, arts and all that.
Even to Majiri we under very good thinking for the country. Whoever came up with the idea of CBC. We want to industrialize. Lakini ende currently leo tueta. How do you industrialize when you have wasted the first year of the kids in grade 7? You have wasted in grade 8. This is now grade 9. I'm telling you, there is nothing that is happening in those schools.
Sure.
You can just visit.
Aritia riaba kurea bichi mwana hithi chukuru.
Uri umwe karimi county, uri umwe kirasi ine. Na wina irasi bitatu. Wina kirasi 7, grade 7, grade 8 na grade 9 and you are two of you in that school.
How did we get here?
Utiko kaira na ukaromba nya mwarimu wa primary na amwira iyo etombika kipaira twana tompisi.
Na mwarimu wa secondary, mwarimu wa
na mwarimu at training all the subjects. Kedra creative arts, kedra sciences. You are not trained in all the areas. Na languages you are not. You are not a jack of all trades.
So mwarimu twakinyire hata ya. How did we
find ourselves? Nte kwenda kuwa bunge MP wako wa udhongotha wa kinyanga mbina ondo iri KTV inde lakini that is what you've done as a country.
What is the remedy?
The remedy the other day itwari na nya press in Nairobi na twabera okay you are following this path and you realize it's not good taking you anywhere. Then kutina problem or rethink kutina aibo or rethink your decision.
You know, rethinking a decision in this case.
That is why we are saying can we domicile JSS I mean a JS to secondary schools. Currently now next year tutethrenja tuina form 2 tuina arimo bakwana arimo bara no to already they are graduate teachers you only need to take them for a refresher course and then they are good to go.
You know mwarimu kirima nte ayo ndekwe mtu kaua kabuku theri njia kwenu no ntu secondary goza arimo ba nati na bakaua skuruji they are better in domiciled in primary school.
Tutekorea chin domicile in primary schools. Lakini currently now you are struggling with no work class. Utina lab, utina fields, utina nyabioro.
Na secondary jina facility.
Oni de iras bitu tumiro, de na bioro bitu tumiro, de na ndom bitu tumiro, de na fields. Na most important de na human resource arimbo by ku na subordinate staff by ku. Why are you struggling? What's the problem?
Thank you, Bwana Secretary. Eune Bwana Karoten Chabere, Secretary General wa Kupet Meru. Thank you so much.
Na bere tumaroka wikiri yangu rikanie jishindie chap no yidi tena bere inya *220*22# withero yukumakiri machindano yantu no beti nebe kwitho baichinda by the way na baichinda mbecha kithumba kwina mtoke thra chindita maita ya 5 maita ya 6 maita 7 mwaka maita 10 ntukwimwe all because now che that *220*22# na anajishindia chap. Thank you very much mwarimu, asante sana na tubotora kanya. We know you are a busy man and thank you very much. Ingwiteke yote.
Thank you.
Mberendiria kambuge in the labor movement next year kukethera kwina ithurano na batu tukiama kia kupet itwathirira tuwita constitution amendment we ituronere constitution being a live document ni kwenda some changes ituronere tutina arimo by represented by PWD persons living with disabilities they are not represented in the management ya union ituronere youth na tuina youth baba ingi mno arimo ba youth baba in below that 5 years we have created a seat for them ituronere ngenda tutiumba abatumba kuingana na arume mno na aranonto arume ginya ukaya utuko thaasa na mbina mbio te wakuria we created some other seats for ladies alafu twethira ito kwenda inya national level era tuita proportionate representation where for instance county ethira ina arimo ngiri na kiringi ina ngiri thano kana ngiri nya tuita kiri national delegates conference batu tuikakia equal number of delegates which means majority of ora are 1000 akanenkero delegates 10 that one is okay lakini ora ina 5000 unenkero the same number of delegates do no we need equal representation proportionate representation na at least kwithira kwina equality in that field inkomenya arimo bakwa baba bantegereta thai ibakuria ni tonto atekweta mantu ya nomination fee inya nomination fee itoreitetheria now kuromba gitike ya secretary general national 500,000 kuromba kia chairman na treasurer 400,000 kuromba gitike ukingi at the national level 250,000
expensive
weya na akiri na branchine kuromba gitike ya for example kindi na kio a nomination fee ke thera 250,000 kuromba ke chairman na treasurer is 100,000 kuromba itibire bingi ni 50,000 no tukubwethia we want to keep our jokers from the management of the union no to about kupet to tithaira twina representation at the sub county levels lakini to make sure every sub county is represented. These are county seats.
Thank you.
So the premium must also be a bit high.
Thank you so much Bwana Karuti.